What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I just got these in, brand new wheels for the Tiguan. I'm pretty sure you guys would have seen on Instagram already. If you haven't, I'll drop my name down in this corner. I actually said I'm going to clean the arches since the rain season is over, but I've been keeping a secret from you guys. I just got my brand new wheels for the car. I will be selling those. I'm gonna take these in now to get the tires pulled off and put onto the new wheels. I'm gonna do a small unboxing now, and then we're off to Tiger Wheel to get the new wheels and tires mated, and then I'm coming back home to put them on the car. I think actually first I'm going to ceramic coat the new wheels before I put them on. It's just tradition for me. For those of you who didn't skip to the end, I'm proud of you guys. This is the new wheels, or the R8 V10 Plus wheels. I'm just quickly going to coat them now, and then I'll put them on the car and show you guys. Guys, go down in the comment section down below and let me know what you guys think of the new wheels. I absolutely love the new setup. It changed the look completely, but it's still got the OEM Plus feel to it, same as with the rotors. So the setup on this is a bit different than what they were with the rotors. The rotors was 8.5J, this is 9J, so these are a bit wider. The tire stretches just a little bit more, but the offset is completely different. These tuck a bit more, but since they're wider, it's more or less the same, but the tire stretches a bit more, and I think it looks absolutely insane. I am so in love with this. As you guys can see, it stretches ever so slightly, but the concave on this wheel is absolutely insane. Like I say, guys, go down below, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think of the new wheels. This is going to be it for the new video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, because I thoroughly did enjoy it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and reflect your passion.